Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to cut up chicken back to make Jamaican curry chicken. And chicken back is very flavorful, very delicious. One of the most favorite dish in Jamaica for a lot of people, because if you ask a lot of Jamaicans, they'll tell you they enjoy this more than ackee and saltfish. So, but you just want to start by cutting it in like 3 or 4 pieces, depends on what size you want. But someone asked me to make this video, so I'm definitely going to do that. I'm doing it right now. And pretty much that's it. Just want to make sure you have a sharp cleaver, and a sharp knife is a safe knife. Like I said, you just want to split it down the back. And it's best to use a cleaver because it has a little weight. The regular knife is too light. So just lay it on the back and split it and chop it across. And this is going to make some amazing curry chicken. And you could also use this to make soup, obviously, because of the bone. So it's going to have a great flavor. And also, if you're just making curry chicken and you can't afford to buy a lot of like regular meat, as far as like chicken thighs or anything, you just buy a couple packs of chicken breast and just throw it in there to stretch it. Like I said, just want to chop it down the middle, and once you do that, you just want to split it down the sides, and that's like perfect size to make curry chicken. And trust me, if you're like a real Jamaican and you lived in Jamaica, you pretty much had curry chicken back and white rice or curry chicken back and dumpling, because those are like your favorites for everyone that lives in Jamaica. Or even if you leave Jamaica, you're still gonna cook curry chicken back. So, like I said, it's definitely one of my favorite dishes because I mean the flavor from the curry with the bones. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. So, someone asked me to make a video showing how to cut it for curry, so I went ahead and knocked it out. And like I said, it's cheap. You can usually get chicken back for like 99 cents a pound. So that's actually a great price for chicken back. And I think this was like, I think I got around like 3 pounds. So as you can tell, I always like to pick the ones with a lot of meat. Because even though, you're getting it for the bone, for the flavor, you still want to have some meat on it. Like I said, to split down the middle and use a cleaver because of the weight. It's going to make it easier. And like I always say, a sharp knife is a safe knife because a sharp knife is going to go where you want it to go. And a dull knife sometimes is going to slip and you're going to hurt yourself. And I always invest in a good knife. I'm going to leave a link in the description for a good cleaver and also a good cutting board, because those little flimsy cutting board you get, they don't really do anything. So you want to get a nice thick cutting board so when you're chopping you don't damage your counter. A lot of times people spend so much money on like appliance, but the main thing you need is a good knife. So always invest in a good knife. So pretty much this is just me showing you guys how to cut up the chicken back to make curry chicken, or you can use it for chicken soup. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.